All right, guys, we have been crushing it. If you've been following this channel, we've been bullish on all things from Bitcoin to Ethereum to all the different types of meme coins. And in this video, we're going to go over the top 7 base meme coins right now. We have recently been discussing the push of Ethereum, and it is just inevitable with Ethereum breaking 3,800 from just 2,800. By the way, your boy covered this just a few days ago before the ETF looks like it's going to be approved, which it should be approved by tomorrow. I have a short video on that. You can go check it out there.
And the entire crypto market is soaring because maybe it's not a security, maybe it's a commodity. This is, for in technical terms, the 19B4 that's due on May 23rd, just a few days from you seeing this video. Whereas this doesn't mean that they'll immediately have inflows coming in from the Ethereum ETF because they still need S1 approvals.
This trickle down effect is just inevitable. With Ethereum price going up and more action going on chain, gas prices will also go up, making people want to go to other chains. In this video, one of those chains is the layer 2 that we're going to be discussing, which is Base, which I have a ton of other content on. You might be familiar with Brett and some other meme coins. We're going to take a look at the top 7 right now. While we are discussing the top 7 by market cap, I will do another separate video if you want on very low market cap tokens. But first and foremost, why is everything pumping besides the ETF approval? We're currently almost at $13 billion in ETF inflows for the Bitcoin ETF. And recently, the chances of getting an Ethereum ETF went from 25% to 75%. And that final approval is tomorrow. Then they have one more filing. After that filing, it could be a couple weeks, maybe a couple months until institutional capital is coming. And we know that it's coming. We got more and more of that confirmation. A couple bullish things about just this entire scenario right now is that was the largest daily ETH candle in 5 years. We went from like 2,900 to 3,700 in less than 24 hours. Again, I believe this is going to cause a trickle down effect to other memes. We're already seeing it in the market. If you look at the market right now, our entire market cap went 5.4%. It was actually up 8% for the day, which is absolutely insane. And look at the largest gainers. I'll just move my camera right there. We got trending, all these different things. Look, there's Brett, as mentioned earlier, and more meme coins. Look at the largest gainers. Again, it's not higher, it's on Base. Normie is on Base. Wojak is probably have a Wojak on Base, but that's not the one that I'm referring to. But as you can see, this trickle effect's already happening. We have some more prominent YouTubers saying Base coins are about to send. So this, again, just more and more people are getting hype about this. So without further ado, let's dive in. We've already talked about it on this channel. I have a how to buy video that goes into detail about this for all these tokens, but Brett is just absolutely crushing it. It's a clear winner right now with a $1.1 trillion market cap, which is, by the way, is up 30% on just the Base memes just for the last 24 hours. Brett is clearly dominating this field with a $453 million market cap. It's almost $500 million. Of course, everybody's going to be calling for that first $1 billion Base token. Looks like it's going to be Brett, hands down. Another possible winner could definitely be Degen. Degen operates on the Warpcast, which is this decentralized social media. They basically have it integrated to where you can tip people on the system and use it as a currency. Degen has been absolutely crushing it. As you can see on their website, turning content into currency. We're just going to tackle this list pretty quickly, though, guys. We're going to go back. This is one of my favorites. And by the way, I don't even own all of these. I actually need to increase my exposure. Coming in at $149 million market cap is Toshi. Toshi is actually Brian Armstrong, founder of Coinbase's cat. Not only is this a good meme and everybody likes a cat meme, their website, it just looks super based. I mean, look how clean this looks. They have everything you need to know on their site with their NFTs, their DAO, basically what platforms that they're supported on, where you can trade and all that. So this is always good indicators for what's going to be here to stay. And coming in again at the market cap that it's at, it looks like it's not going anywhere. And a lot of these tokens could absolutely be $1 billion market caps, multi-billion-dollar market caps. So when looking at this, I'm thinking like 149 million seems high compared to the small caps that I've been in. But if you're looking at it from a $1 billion market cap lens, this could absolutely be a 10x from here. This one I've been calling for a long time at a $46 billion market cap right now, which is insane, which is Normie. Normie doesn't even really need an explanation. I could go to the site and show it to you. But essentially, Normie is kind of making the joke about Coinbase kind of onboarding the normies. And that's exactly what it plays off of. It's a good meme. It doesn't really need a whole lot more. And it has just absolutely ripped. This other one that we're going to talk about is MFer coin. This actually comes from the NFT project. The MFers, that was an open, or they left Satoshi. He left with an open edition before he left the space. Basically, I guess the community or Satoshi himself came together, dropped a token. I actually bought this and traded it already. I did pretty well on it, but it's good to see that it's still getting traction at 42 million. I don't even remember my buy and sell now because it feels like forever ago, even though it's only been a couple months, but it's good to see a strong bounce back and also kind of makes sense. This one is actually one of my favorites, maybe a little controversial, but it's Boomer. It sounds exactly like what it is. Sort of similar to that normie one. It's just boomers, just having a good time. Boomers in crypto, boomers on Coinbase. I think it's funny. I think it's cool. And it's also like not making boomers out to look like a bad thing. It's kind of having like stereotypical. And I even joke around about myself being a boomer because I'm this way, just want to cook some good steaks, eat some corn, chill out on the porch, sit in front of the water or whatever. I think it's funny. I think it's a friendly sense of humor. You even have the GameStop roaring kitty right here. But yeah, I think Boomer is a great token. I actually probably want to actually have zero exposure to it. I need to increase that with a $31 million market cap. So these are coming in all under the top 1K. So I'll stick to those top 7. If you made it this far in the video, I have a little bit more alpha for you. I previously made a video on how to use a sniping bot for base meme coins. This is a very helpful bot to help you really snipe some low market coins. Go watch that video and you will be able to snipe these tokens with literally just through Telegram. I have a referral link in that does give me like a slight kickback on it if you use that link, so be sure to do that. Further ways you can support me is by becoming a YouTube channel member. It's like $2 a month and it just supports me, helping me do more content like this. And lastly, I own a coffee shop. I'm a coffee roaster. My coffee website is hiddengroundsla.com. The link will be down below in the description. You can go buy my coffee there. I'll see you guys next video.